Yeah, this the restaurant. There was a catch and release on the bass today, so they had the signs up. But you can see as I caught 2, 4, I think 6, 5 or 6. Let me see. 5, cause I had one of them get off. But yep, that's it. My little spot, y'all. It's dark. I gotta go. You can see. Ain't nothing out here but me. Woo! Had a wonderful day. Yeah. And I caught a bass on them. Yeah. We in the building. Yeah. Like this here. Say no more. Betty, the fish almost done, Betty. I'm talking about, I got the thing in here.
Did the thing out there today, I'm telling you.
I told you I was going to make it happen.
Yeah, Willie,
Yeah.
everything that looking good, Willie. Yeah, I'm telling you, he did his thing.
Yeah. Look at her. That's a hater right there on the phone. That's a hater right there. That's a hater right there. You just mad because I've been doing it longer than you. That's all I'm saying. You need to cook your man something. That's what you need to do. Worry about what's going on over here. Well, I'm just saying though. Me and Betty finna, some of this crispy gold fish right here. And mind our business. Willie, tell Lucille to shut her damn mouth. I can hear her wailing him. She just let you do your thing in there. And, put me a cup of that wine in there too. And tell her I call her in a minute. You heard what she said. Okay.